Hey guys, Jim and American Classic Motors. Today we're checking out a 94 Sportster. This thing is gorgeous. Vivid black paint. Incredible condition. Tons and tons of chrome. Nice progressive covered shocks, chrome rear wheel, pulley, drag pipes, hypercharger. Got the original 39mm chrome forks. LED headlight, billet wheel. This bike's only got 14,000 miles on it, guys. It's got the 1200 conversion cams. I just drove this bike for a good 10 minutes. This thing really runs well. Got the original panhead style chrome toolbox. It was a factory accessory. Nice black engine paint. Let's fire it up. Drag pipes. Sound tough. It's a nice old sporty, guys. Give us a call, 610-754-8500, or send us an email, info@americanclassicmotors.net. Thanks.